Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're going to see how to restore this outdoor lamp, latern type. It's made from aluminium and it's in pretty rough state, as you can see. The part that goes to the wall seems plastic and we're going to turn it to this. It's not perfect. I try to do it with minimal effort. So obviously remove the lamp, be sure to disconnect the power first. Here's the first one. And here is the second one. Put a bit of electrical tape, although it's 48 volts. Now I use some WD-40 for the top screws, as they are pretty rusted, and they did come out quite okay, as you can see. No problems there. This is how it looks underneath. Remove the old lamp. And this top part is plastic, so I'm going to remove it as it doesn't need painting. Now I remove the glasses. You just lift them up. So I'm going to give it a pressure wash. Actually it removes quite a bit of the paint, so I try to remove as much paint as I could with a pressure washer. Now I try to give them a clean, those glasses in the dishwasher. However, after of course cleaning them up with some water, but as you can see it didn't help much. They did need a bit more of cleaning, so hand cleaning again. Now the tedious part of brushing the aluminium. I used a wire brush, although it didn't do much, and I ended up using about a sandpaper of 180 grit. That did most of the job. Give it a good wash again to remove any dust. This is the type of spray I used. It has a thin and thick nozzle, which you can use at 4 to 5 centimeters of distance. It gives a good coverage, as you can see. And here is the favorite part of everyone. As you can see, the spray paint has a good coverage. So this was the first coat of paint. Now let's start the second one. Obviously I forgot some parts. We're going to cover them now. And here is the final result. It's nowhere near perfect, of course, but it's much better than before, and from far away you won't be able to see the small details. Now the electrical part, we need to clean the contacts of the lamp socket. I used the wire brush. They do look pretty rusty, but measuring them with a multimeter in ohms setting revealed that they are pretty good. Again, this is a 48 VAC system. It should be fine. Just 1 ohm of resistance. Here's how it looks after cleaning. Now let's put the almost clean glasses back together. They just slide in. And the last one. Put a new bulb in it. And I noticed I was missing one piece of glass. Here it is. Gotcha. And I couldn't leave the screws rusted. I gave them a brush and a coat of paint, and here is the final result. I am quite happy with how it looks. It is much better than before, of course. Now, was it worth it? You tell me, please leave it in the comments below. So I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.